Minecraft using a real remote control through your PC. It's very simple. All you have to do is, of course, get the game, buy the game. You're going to do everything through CurseForge. So download and install CurseForge, and you're going to create a custom profile. This custom profile, you can name it anything you want. I'm going to put Popo. Now, Minecraft version, very important, 16.5 has to be this one, 16.5, 1.16.5. Hit create. Boom, great. You have your Minecraft version. Now you have to install the mod. How you do that? Well, you're going to search for FPV, and you hit enter. And it's going to be the first one, this one, Minecraft FPV. You're going to hit install, and you're going to select this one, Popo, right? The one we just created. You click install right here. And that's it. Once you start playing, you hit play, right? And when you go here, in order to activate the drone, you have to press the letter I. You see the menu? So it turns into drone mode, and to access the options, you press O. And then you get into the sub menu where you do channel map. Okay, so how to play Minecraft using a real